Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer BPI to Gcash. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your BPI online account. So just open this. And then once you're here, just have to log in to your account. And then you will see a transfer button at the bottom right side of the My Account. So just tap on that one. Now, once you do that, you can see that there are lots of methods on how you can transfer, but now we're going to tap on transfer it to another bank and then tap on the savings or on where account you're going to be transferring. And then from here, you just have to select the bank. So you can choose the Gcash since we're transferring it to Gcash. So just search for Gcash here. Gcash. Alright, so just go ahead and put your account number or your contact number used in your Gcash. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and put your account name or the account name of the person you're transferring to. And then tap on continue. Once you're done, you can also check that. And here's an amount. You just have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer. And then once you're done, just tap on continue. And that's basically it. That's how you transfer from BPI to Gcash. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!